Alam ko naman nung una pa lang, ako ang kailangan magparaya. Kaya nung nagkasakit si Papa, ako na ang tumulong kay Mama. Nakakapagod nung umpisa ni hindi ko na mabili yung gusto ko, lahat para sa kailangan nila. Huminto yung buhay ko. Walang thoughtless spending, walang barkada. Pero kada pangarap nila Mama na natutupad, parang unti-unti kong naaabot ang tagumpay ko. Kada parangal ng mga kapatid ko, feeling ko, nakagraduate na din ako. Sa dinami-dami ng malas ko, swinerte naman ako sa pamilya ko. Hindi man sila perpekto, wala pa man kami sa inaasam na tagumpay sa dulo. Proud ako na nananatili kaming matatag at buo. Ako si Mika. Nahihirapan, napapagod. Pero proud ako sa lahat ng sinasakripisyo ko. Para sa mga kabisyo nating breadwinner, yung tagumpay para sa kanila, yung balik, yung reward of everything they've done, everything they've sacrificed, ay not the success of their own, but the success of the family or the loved ones na nagiging rason kung bakit sila nagsusumika. Kumbaga yung tagumpay nila, yun na din yung nagiging tagumpay ng mga ate at kuya na nagtataguyod ng pamilya. Pero do not get me wrong, sometimes it's being taken out of context. Kapag sinasabi nilang, wag mong gawing tagumpay mo yung tagumpay ko kasi alam ko naghirap ka, pero tong mga to, pinaghirapan ko to. Some people kasi doesn't want to share the credit. Some people, they want that credit for themselves kasi they've worked hard for it. Whatever those achievements are, kanila na naman talaga yun. But, lagi nga natin sinasabi, kailangan matuto kayong tumingin sa pinanggalingan. Huwag kayong masyadong fixated on where you are going, and also acknowledge the people who helped you to be where you are right now. Kasi kahit anong kinang, kahit anong tagumpay, kahit anong titulo pa yung makuha mo, kung hindi ka marunong lumingon sa mga taong nagsakripisyo para sa'yo, those achievements, milestones, recognition will mean nothing. Those people who are celebrating with you right now, they are with you because nandiyan ka sa taas eh. Nasa peak ka ng jam mo, kumbaga yung rhythm ng buhay, nandun ka sa ibabaw ngayon eh. That's why maraming tao na nagse-celebrate with you and claiming that they are your friends, they are your family, they've always been there for you, they know na magagawa mo yan, na mapagtatagumpayan mo yan, they have always believed in you. Maraming tao magsasabi niyan sa'yo. But you know within your heart kung sinong nagdala sa'yo dyan, kung sinong umakay sa'yo dyan, tumulong sa'yo dyan, tumulak para mapunta ka dyan. So I don't want you to forget that. Those people who have helped you, those people who sacrificed for you, wala man silang naabot for themselves, wala man silang titulo, wala man silang diploma, wala man silang kahit anong milestone as great as yours. At kiniklaim man nilang ang tagumpay mo ay tagumpay na nila. My love, they mean well. Their heart is pure. They are sincere. Even when at times na feeling mo ginagrab nila yung credit sa'yo, they are not actually doing that. They are just proud of you for all that you've become. And they are proud for themselves and they are allowed to be proud sa mga sarili nila. Kasi they know what they have sacrificed para sa'yo, para maabot mo yung tagumpay mo. So sa mga kabisyo natin na nasa receiving end ng sacrifices ng mga breadwinner, your ates, your kuyas, your father, mothers, sabihin na natin kung sino man yung tumutulong sa'yo. They are not really asking for any recognition from you. They don't even want to be acknowledged. They just want you to succeed. Pero it won't hurt if from time to time, you'll appreciate their contribution. And one day, kapag naabot mo yung tugatog ng tagumpay talaga, it will be great if you can remember them. If you can't bring them with you, at least remember them. Kasi they have paused their own lives, hininto nila yung sariling progress nila so that you can go first. Never ever forget about that. Claro? Claro.